Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today we are going to start the month of August and we are all super excited and all very curious to know what would be the performance, how would be the trades for this month. In the month of July we had very good performance. We had almost about 20% returns on capital by trading daily. So those who have used the same strategy, same calls have all made 20%. So I would like to show today's live trading video in order to support all the people who have taken the strategy, those who learned the strategy, so that you can also place the same trade. And also I'll be showing the performance of month of July in today's particular video. Okay friends, so before going forward, whoever wants to learn more equity and crude strategies or commodity strategies, don't forget to press my subscribe my channel Angel Trading Friend. And in case if you want any support, any backtested file, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Okay, so not wasting much of your time, let me go to let me just mute the volume first. Yeah, so today the order placed at 9:20. The stock selected was IOC, so add IOC features, and the entry level was 166.80, and we are going to have a target and stop loss of 50 paisa. So this is the order given today at 9:20. So let me also place the same thing, 166.80 and a small buffer of 10 paisa, that is 166.90, and it will be an OC order. If we are using Zerodha, you can use bracket order. We have placed the order. You can see that trigger is pending. There is a lot of time. This is what you have to do. The present price is 166.05 as you have seen, and we are entering only at 166.80. So there is sufficient time to place the order. As soon as you get the call, you can add the stock into your watch list and then you can place your trade. Friends, this just has taken me just 1 minute of your time, 1 minute of my time also, and this is the beauty of this working people strategy. Very easy, very beautiful. Yeah, so let us see today's result, because starting of the month we all expect it to be positive, to start off positive. So you can see that I'll just take a little more back. Yeah, so you can see that target of 167.35 has met, and the stop loss has been cancelled. Yes, so this is the beauty of bracket order or an OC order available in Zerodha and Upstock. Okay, so let us see the portfolio for today. Reliance is not going on. IOC, you can see that 1500 is done. By 10:25 your profits is done and you don't have to trade for the day. Yeah, so this is the beauty of the strategy, friends. You just have to place the order and then you have to just leave. Nothing else to be done. And let's see the performance of month of July. So you can see that average we are all in profit, and those who have taken the trade daily are in profits. So this also I have to tell you. You might have 1 or 2 stop losses, but the secret is to continue trading day in and day out. Only then you'll be able to make profit. This is the secret of trading and systematic trading. Friends, if you want to avail this service, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525 and avail this service. If you want more details or any support, don't feel anything, you can just call immediately. Not call, you can just WhatsApp me immediately and put on your doubts. Whenever I'm free, I will reply back to you. Okay friends, thank you and have a nice day.